Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw antylamon from Digimon. And here are a few facts you must know about antylamon. He's one of the new he's a partner of the Digimon Tamers. One of the Digimon Tamers, and he was seen in the Digimon the movie. And if you ask me, he's more of a peaceful creature. You see, antylamon has 3 different forms. There's good, evil, and data. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the good form of antylamon. If you ask me, antylamon looks like he was created inside a lab. And if you ask me, he's more of a nice guy. So when you start drawing him, you must draw his ears here. There's his head. He was seen in the Digimon Digidestined movie when he was Wendigomon, which evolved into Cherubimon. But he turned into a good guy. And here's a known fact about him. His hands, they can transform into axes. How cool is that? There we go. There's his red part here on his chest. There's his legs here. You can pause the video if you want and take a look. There's his arm here.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from
There's his fingers here.
They were chopping them up. They were chopping them down. It's an ancient
There we go. And that's how you draw antylamon. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? That's how you draw antylamon in his good form. What's your favorite Digimon, you guys? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of amazing character I'll draw you guys next. So, hope you guys have a nice season. See you later.